Hey girl, I'm gonna walk you through how to use a first response test strip. You know what's awesome about these is there's a bunch of them, so you can test as many times as you need. First, we're gonna need a cup. I prefer a disposable one for obvious reasons. Next, tear here and take out your test strip. Now we need something to dip the strip in, right? So go ahead and go in your cup. Once your urine sample is ready, with the arrows facing down, dip your strip for 10 seconds. Oh, and don't go past this black line. After 10 seconds, take the test out and lay it flat on a non-absorbent surface. And let the waiting game begin, 5 minutes, which is the perfect amount of time to flip the laundry if you forgot, which I definitely did. Okay, time's up. Let's check the results. Super simple. 1 pink line means you're not pregnant. 2 pink lines means you're pregnant. Even if one line is lighter than the other, it does still count. If you need a little more help, grab the insert included in the box, and you can always visit firstresponse.com. You got this.